Hello, my name is Dr. Dahua Shou. I'm an assistant professor from Institute of Textiles and Clothing. I'm very pleased to introduce our project, Air Conditioned Face Mask, AC Mask. Ms. Wenxin Shen is working on this project with me. With the outbreak of COVID-19, the market size of face mask will increase to $22 billion in 2021. The face mask can protect us from virus, but we don't like worries because it can cause rising temperature and humidity, and we always feel uncomfortable with reduced performance. If we remove face mask, we will be under high risk of infection. Our solution is to design a temperature-controllable, air-conditioned face mask, AC mask, for wear comfort and ease of breathing. A cooling unit based on thermoelectric technology is integrated to a wearable 3D printed face mask frame. The components and the temperature regulation process are shown in this short video. AC mask is like a portable air conditioner. It can provide cooling air with desired temperature. When the microclimate inside the mask becomes hot and humid, the AC mask will be turned on automatically. The cooling air will be generated so that the temperature and humidity will be reduced quickly. The uniqueness includes adaptive temperature control, as you can see in the figure. It can reduce humidity, allow easy breathing, and is compatible with existing face masks. Different from existing products, AC mask is able to control and adjust temperature, decrease humidity, and make sure there is no unfiltered exhaled air. We assume the market size to be $2.2 billion, as we will have various consumers, from citizens to medical personnel, outdoor workers, and firefighters. We also expect it may contribute to the transition of the local textile industry to an innovation center. In future, we will conduct more human trials.
We will further improve moisture management, reduce the waste, and seek collaboration with industry.